But one thing businesses lack, and what you just mentioned now, is what they rely on is either themselves, i.e. the business owner, getting to learn the system and becoming essentially an expert, or now reaching out to specific consultants within the space. Let me ask you a question there. How long did it take you to become an expert of your own right within HubSpot?
Oh man, what a journey that was. We did have some external support. One thing I found was that you had loads of people that are willing to charge you buck, but then the moment you pay for your service, they bugger off. It probably took me the best part of 12 months to truly understand the intricacies of HubSpot and workflows and properties and webhooks and how to basically automate the whole process. I can now say that our operations are set up such that, and I think this is a good litmus test, by the way, if you as a founder step back from your role, if an unfortunate life event occurs, and it will force you to do that, even if that's not the case, step back. Does the business fail? Did the operations collapse? More often than not, they will. That will highlight your weak points. We don't wish for life events to force them to do that. I kind of wish I had someone to kind of do it for me.
Guide you through the process.
But guide me through the process. A mix of training, a mix of resources, and a bit of a kind of almost like a shoulder to lean on.